Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. Post-COVID, I started losing my hair at a rapid rate, and that caused a great distress. I then started researching about the different hair transplant procedures, and I consulted one of my friends who recently had done the hair transplant procedures. So after multiple weeks of research, I thought that this would be a right decision for me to do that procedure, and the right time also. As I said, right, I did multiple weeks of research, and I finalized on this clinic after reviewing reviews on the internet. I did my hair transplant on 21st of August, and initially I was very skeptical because for the first 1 or 2 months I did not see the results as I was expecting. But as months went by, and as Dr. Bhavesh Gupta had advised me to be patient, I started seeing results along the way, and that started to give me confidence that I needed, and also it helped me understand that I took the right decision. In my closing comment, I would like to thank Dr. Bhavesh Gupta and the medical science, the modern medical science in general, for solving this hair loss problem that is still causing distress, and it's causing a great distress to so many people. So I would recommend, if you can go for this procedure, do that, because it's easily solvable by the modern science. Thank you.